Do you know many people are having trouble with charging their Sun Joe MJ401E Lawnmower? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Place on level surface. Place the lawnmower on a level lawn surface to ensure stability. Step 2. Secure extension cord. Form a loop with the end of the extension cord and secure it in the extension cord restraint holder. Step 3. Plug into mower. Plug the extension cord into the mower's appliance cord, then connect to the mains voltage. Step 4. Use UL-rated cord. Use only a UL-rated extension cord designed for outdoor use, not longer than 1/104. Step 5. Avoid foreign objects. Ensure the lawnmower avoids contact with foreign objects before starting. Use safety measures to operate the mower. Follow these steps and you'll have your Sun Joe MJ401E Lawnmower charged and ready to go. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Sun Joe users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.